Hey everyone! Today, I want to share something that truly made our nights better, Kids Bedtime Essentials by Hiya. If you're a parent like me, you've probably had those nights. You know, when bedtime feels like a full-blown battle. My kids were restless, tossing and turning, and it took forever to get them to relax. That's when I found Hiya's Kids Bedtime Essentials. It's a chewable vitamin made just for kids, meant to help them calm down, relax, and get a good night's sleep, all without sugar, melatonin, or any habit-forming stuff. And no, this isn't just another sugary gummy. It's different, and I'll tell you exactly how. How does Kids Bedtime Essentials work? So, how does it actually work? Great question. Each tablet has a special mix of 7 key nutrients like vitamin B6, calcium, magnesium, L-theanine, GABA, and chamomile flower extract. These work together to help your child's body relax and their brain get ready for rest. What I love most? It's melatonin-free. Melatonin might seem safe, but doctors say it can mess with kids' natural sleep cycles if taken too often. Instead of forcing sleep, this product helps kids calm down naturally. It helps them feel settled without being groggy the next morning. And from my own experience, yes, it actually works. Features and benefits of Kids Bedtime Essentials. Let's break down what makes this product stand out. Drug-free sleep support. This means it doesn't rely on anything strong or artificial. Just a gentle way to help kids wind down. Brain health and calm. My son used to be so jumpy before bed. Since using this, I noticed he's more focused and peaceful during bedtime routines. 1 tablet a day. That's all they need. Just 1 small chewable before bed. No added sugar. This was a big deal for me. No sugar rush before bed. It's sweetened naturally with monk fruit. My kids still think it tastes great. Gummy-free. No gummies here. Gummy vitamins can stick to teeth and cause cavities, especially before bed. This tablet avoids that. Eco-friendly packaging. It comes in a glass bottle your kids can decorate with stickers. My daughter loved this part. Every month you get a refill pouch, so you reuse the bottle. Less waste, more fun. High quality and safe. Each batch is tested in FDA-registered labs and is Prop 65 compliant. That means it's free of harmful stuff like heavy metals and bacteria. Real talk? I wouldn't trust just any vitamin with my kids. But this one checked all the boxes. How to use Kids Bedtime Essentials. Using it is super simple. Here's what I do. About 30 minutes before bedtime, usually after bath and PJs, I give 1 tablet to my child. It's chewable, tastes good, and doesn't take any effort. No fuss, no mess. You can give it every night or only when needed. We do it most nights because the results have been that good. Also, always store the bottle safely, it's not a toy. Keep it out of reach from younger kids. Kids Bedtime Essentials pros and cons. Now, let me be real with you. Nothing is perfect. So here are my honest pros and cons. Pros. It works, calmer nights and better mornings. Melatonin-free, safer for regular use. No sugar, major win for parents. Tastes good, my kids never complain. Eco-friendly bottle, fun for kids to decorate. 1 a day, easy to remember. Tested for safety, big peace of mind. Cons. Not the cheapest, it's about $22.75 with the discount. Only available online, not in stores. Some picky kids might not love the taste, but my 2 kids did fine. Honestly, the pros outweighed the cons for us. It's a product I feel good giving my kids. Price and amp, where to buy kids' bedtime essentials. Let's talk price. The regular price is $35, but you get 35% off your first order, which brings it down to about $22.75. That's for a 30-day supply, so less than $1 a day. Each bottle is refillable and delivered monthly as part of a subscription. And don't worry, you can cancel anytime or adjust your order from your account. You can buy it only from their official website, hiyahealth.com. Don't trust other sellers, go straight to the source for the real deal. Conclusion. So, is Hiya's Kids Bedtime Essentials worth it? If you're tired of bedtime struggles, if you want something safe, clean, and effective, this might be the help you've been looking for. I've seen a real difference in my kids. Bedtime used to be a mess. Now it's peaceful. They fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. And as a parent, that's all I ever wanted, something that works without the side effects. So yes, I definitely recommend giving it a try. Start with 1 bottle and see how your child responds. You might be surprised in a good way. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with other parents who need bedtime back. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer from my own experience.